Hello everyone, welcome to Canadian Desi Chef, and today we are making Paneer Quesadilla, which is the Mexican delicacy and also second video of the comforting home food playlist. This vegetarian delectable recipe is full of nutrients and can be enjoyed by whole family. Please watch this video till end and hit the notification bell to watch latest videos. Here are the ingredients for the recipe. You can find detailed recipe in description box as well. Heat up the pan on a medium to high heat. Add oil. Once the oil is hot, add chopped onion, green chilies, chopped mushroom, green pepper, yellow pepper, and saute it for a minute. Then add dried oregano, red chili powder, cumin powder, and salt to taste. Mix everything well. Then add about 1 tablespoon of water. Once water evaporates, then add grated paneer or Indian cottage cheese. Stir everything together and turn off the flame. Then add cilantro and take out the filling in a bowl. You can find paneer or Indian cottage cheese in any grocery store under dairy aisle. Flour tortillas are readily available in grocery stores as well. But in case if it is not available, make a thin, undercooked and dry, means no oil chapati, by using all-purpose flour or maida in Hindi. Now on a medium to low heat, put a pan on a stove, add a little bit of oil, put tortilla wrap and add the mixed cheese, covering whole tortilla wrap. Then add paneer filling on half of the tortilla. Now flip other half of tortilla on top of it and fry it on both sides until golden brown and crispy. Take it out on a plate. Cut it into 4 slices and enjoy it with salsa or ketchup. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative cooking videos, and don't forget to click the bell icon for notification of the latest videos. We'll meet you in next video. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.